Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia world. This is Varun Ganga. In the previous sessions, we have learned many examples regarding with case number 3 shortcut, case number 2 shortcut, and case number 1 shortcut when multiplying a number with series of lines. But this is the last session that we are going to have a look of last example regarding with case number 3 shortcut. So guys, let us see what is this example. The example that I'm going to take in this session is 99,999 into 99. So guys, whenever you are multiplying a number with series of 9s, at first we have to count the number of digits in the multiplicand in order to make sure that which case can be used in order to get the product for the given multiplication of numbers. So guys, if I count the number of digits that are in the multiplicand, I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I'm having 5 digits in the multiplicand, and the number of 9s are 1 and 2. I'm having 2 9s in the series of 9s. So therefore we can say that the number of digits in the multiplicand are more than the number of 9s in the series of 9s when compared. So therefore I can use case number 3 shortcut to get the product for the above example. So guys, I think you know what is the first step that we have to perform while doing case number 3 shortcut. We have to place that many zeros at the end of the multiplicand as there are that many 9s in the series of 9s. Since in this example I am having 2 9s in the series of 9s, so I am placing 2 zeros at the end of the multiplicand, that is 99,999, and it becomes 9,999,900. And you know what is step number 2? We have to deduct the multiplicand from the multiplicand that we have placed with zeros, and the difference that is obtained is considered as the final result. So now we are going to subtract 9,999,900 minus 99,999. So guys, let us do this subtraction by using Bindavankana method. I think you know how to use Bindavankana method, right? Because we have already learned this subtraction of Bindavankana method in our previous sessions. So at first we have to write the numbers one below the other by placing the horizontal bars like this. If we compare the digits 0 and 9, here 0 is less than 9. So therefore we have to keep a dot in front of the number 9, that is 9 again. Now by taking the complement of 9 with 10, you will get 1. You just write down that 1 below the horizontal bar like this. Now count the number of dots that we have got. We have got only one dot. So now that one dot should be added to the number 9, that is the count should be added to the number 9. You will get 10 as the sum. Now if we compare again 0 and 10, here 0 is less than 10, so we have to keep the dot in front of the number again, that is 9. Now by taking the complement of 10 with 10, you will get 0, so 0 that should be written below the horizontal bar like this. Now again adding the count and the number 9, you will get 10 as the sum. Now if you compare the digits, that is 9 and 10, you will get that 9 is less than when compared with 10. Now we have to take the complement of 10, and before that we have to keep a dot in front of the number, that is 9. Why? Because here 9 is less when compared with the number 10. So now by taking the complement of 10 with 10, you will get 0. And by adding that 0 to the number above, that is 9, you will get 9 as the answer. So you just write on that answer below the horizontal bar like this. Now again by adding the count and the number 9, you will get 10. Now again if you compare, now 9 is less than 10. So therefore again you have to keep a dot in front of the number 9. Now again by taking the complement of 10, you will get 0. So this 0 should be added to the top of the number 9, that is 9 again. So 0 plus 9 will get 9. Write down that 9 like this. Now again if we count the number of dots, here we are having only 1, and by adding that 1 to 9, you will get 10. And if you compare, so 9 is less than 10, so again you have to place a dot in front of the number 9. Since there are no digits, I have kept a 0, because so that we can keep a dot on the top of the 0 like this. Now by taking the complement of 10 with 10, you will get 0. So again 0 plus 9, that is we have to add the digit which is in the minuend, that is on the top of the number 9. So here again we are having 9. So therefore 0 plus 9 is 9 again. Now finally here if we count the number of dots, we are having only 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Again if we compare the digits, so 9 is obviously greater than 1. So therefore we have to follow our usual way of subtraction. So 9 minus 1, you will get 8. Write on that 8. Since there are no more digits, so we have to write down the digit as it is in the horizontal bar like this. So now the answer that we have got here is 9,899,901. So therefore by subtracting the numbers, here we have got the answer as 9,899,901, and it is the final answer for the numbers that we have multiplied, that is 99,999 into 99. So guys, this is the way how we can use case number 3 shortcut in order to get the product when we are multiplying a number with series of 9s. And the most important thing that you have to remember here is this shortcut can be used only when the number of digits in the multiplicand are more when compared with the number of 9s in the series of 9s. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed pretty well with these shortcuts, that is case number 1, case number 2 and case number 3 shortcuts. And I do hope that you to use these shortcuts whenever you are asked to multiply a number with series of 9s. Thank you, have a nice day, and in the next session we are going to have a look of new shortcuts and which will be very helpful while doing multiplication of numbers. Thank you, have a nice day.